guys, it's Young Tech God from Fast Tech signing in again for another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your Xbox One X if it's dropping your Wi-Fi signal, or when you're playing your game, your controller loses connection and your controller happens to work fine on other consoles but just doesn't work on yours. That means you most likely have a dead Bluetooth and Wi-Fi network chip. It's a module that plugs in. Luckily, thank God, it's not soldered on. It has a connector which you can remove easily. You can pull it out and put a new one in. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this job today. Lots of times you'll get Wi-Fi errors and you'll be dropped off Wi-Fi and your controller would stop working. And sometimes your Wi-Fi list is not even going to show up. If that's happening, this video is going to be very helpful for you. I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix it today. The tools that you're going to need are going to be in the description box like always. So do check us out if you need the screwdriver or the chip to do this job. Let's get started.
Alright, so this is our Xbox One X. It's sent in by a customer. To check the model number, you can look at the back here and it should say Xbox One X. Right here, Xbox One X. And for those that are interested, you also find the serial number right here. This is where the serial number is going to be, and this is where the manufacturing date is going to be. Okay, so we're going to start disassembling it. There's two screws at the back here. They're Torx T8H, the security screws. We sell the screwdriver on our website. If you need to buy a screwdriver, you can buy it from our website. Normally there's going to be a sticker, a warranty sticker right here, but this one's already been removed because this customer already sent their device to a different company before they sent it to us. So we're going to remove these two Torx screws. All right, now that we've removed the screws, the top piece should just slide off. All you gotta do is slide it forward all the way. And then just kind of pull this way and then pull up and it should come off. All right, so now that we have the top cover removed, we have access to the screws. We have access to the mid frame of the console. By the way, we sell all the parts that you need for this job, and we sell all Xbox One X parts and Xbox One parts and PS4 parts on our website, www.fasttechstore.com. So do check us out. I'm going to put links in the description. So what we're going to do now at this point, to remove the network card, which is located on this side of the console, we're going to remove these three Torx screws. Once you've got these screws out of the way, the network card should just pull out. It's connected with this connector right here. And this is the network card right here. It's a model 1802. We sell this part on our website. I'm going to put a link in the description box if you're interested to buy it from us. We ship worldwide. So if you're having any network issues, like your console's not connecting to your Wi-Fi anymore, or your Wi-Fi signal drops, or your Wi-Fi connections don't even show up, then you need to replace this chip, and link's going to be in the description box below.
And we're going to put our replacement connector in. We sell this on our website, like I mentioned before, at www.fasttech.ca or fasttech.us, also fasttechstore.com. But we're going to line it up, but before we do that, we're going to make sure that this thing goes under this plastic piece right here. We're going to line up the connector, push it in, install the screws back in, This side is gonna go in first.
Line this side up. Line the other side up. Like that. Up. And then push it in. You're gonna hear some clicks clipping in. And you wanna make sure everything is lined up, which it is, and flush. And then we're going to install the torque screws, and then we're pretty much done. One here. And we're done. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, if this helped you out, and buy the parts from us. That helps us out a lot. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications when we release a video. And it also lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. And don't forget to check us out at www.fasttech.ca or fasttechstore.com.
Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button if you'd like to get notifications. Like our video if you liked it, if it helped you out, and it lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. Helps us out a lot. Don't forget to check us out for parts if you need anything at www.fasttechstore.com or fasttech.ca. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.